Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. If you're new here, my name is Brianna, and before you leave, make sure to subscribe to my channel to keep up with all the videos that I post. In today's video, I'm actually going to be organizing and decorating my home with Shein products. Keep in mind, this is the first time that I buy from Shein, so this will include a review as well. So many of you have requested this video and I decided that I might as well get up and start filming. This week has been such a weird week. I have been mentally exhausted and I haven't really been doing much. This quarantine is just really getting to me. So before we start, I do want to say to take care of yourself, to take care of your mental health, and to get out and get some fresh air. So this is the big box that I purchased. This took at least 2 weeks to get in because some of the things that I ordered were actually out of stock, and so they had to ship them separately. I do want to say that their customer service is so great. Like, you contacted them right away and they were able to help you out really quick. So that is a really big plus when ordering with Shein. So the first thing that I am going to show you guys that I ordered was actually this cute clear coffee mug. This I've seen on Amazon being sold for $26 for a pack of 4. I'm going to show you guys a little image right up at the top and tell you guys how much I spent on it. It's super cute. It's really small. They did have 2 other sizes, but this was the cheaper one, so I wanted to go with the cheaper size to see how big the size really is, and it's as big as my palm. Next kitchen item that I did purchase was something for Josephine, and I got her this cute Mickey plate. So I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna feel the material because I haven't done it. Okay, so this is the plate that I purchased for Josephine, and I figured that I would purchase something for her because we're always struggling with food when she eats. I just thought that this was cute, something fun for her to eat her meals with. I definitely feel that it is good for the price. I think it was like 99 cents or something like that. Definitely what you would buy at the 99-cent store if you were to go and get like some kids plate. This was a good buy. I really like this. The next kitchen item that I also picked up was this food storage bag. And I bought these because I'm always using a Ziploc bags for Josephine's snacks. I figured that I would get some stuff for like recyclable things. Something like this at Target is like $20. Okay, so first things first, off the bat, they have like these cute designs. So they're this big and they definitely are like small. I mean, you could probably only fit like 2 cookies in here. Like I said, I'm going to be using these for Josephine's snacks, so they do work. You can also use these for like bobby pins and other things, but this is super cute. I think that this was a good buy as well. This was like only a couple dollars. This is what they look like. Super sturdy. They don't feel like any liquid would come out of these. So the next item that I purchased was this earring holder, and I decided to get this because I have my earrings all over the place in like a little bowl by my sink, and they don't belong there. They need a home. And when I saw this, I was like, this is perfect. So I'm going to be opening this up and showing you guys. This holder is very plasticky and bendy. I did only pay a couple dollars, so I don't expect a lot, but it's a little flimsy for my liking. I'm still going to use it because I have a lot of things to put, and I'm thinking about putting it right here with all my earrings. But for the time being, this is perfect. This is a good way to keep all of your earrings organized. So now I'm going to be organizing my earrings and putting them onto my earring organizer that I got from Shein. So I'm going to show you what that looks like right now. So I finished putting some of my earrings here, and I think that they look and display gorgeously. This is everything. I love this and the way that it just organizes everything, and it ties and finishes. It almost looks like I'm selling these, but I'm not. All right, so the next item that I picked up is a laundry holder. And I gotta say that I'm very, very fooled because the picture showed much bigger than what it actually is. So this is what it looks like. And it's supposed to go against like a wall holding and just something that's super easy for you to just pass by and throw your laundry in here. I would say that it's good material, just extremely small. The picture is so deceiving, guys. Like make sure to check the measurements. That's something that I didn't do and I wish that I should have done. So this is what it looks like. I think this would only fit like Josephine's clothes, something that you would only put for like babies or socks or bras or something. So I guess if you find a new home for it that's like not your actual clothes and that's not heavy, this would be a perfect buy too, like underwear, socks, and bras. All right, are you guys ready for the next item? I am super excited to show you guys that I bought a small blanket from Shein, and oh my god, it is so soft. I purchased the smallest size because the bigger size was going to be a little bit more expensive and I wanted to stay within budget. But oh god, I wish you guys can feel how soft this is. This almost feels like something I would buy at like Home Goods. It is really small. It's not small, but it fits Josephine's body, and it actually covers my whole like body from my neck down, and I'm only 4'11". So if you're as small as me, this is a good, perfect size. So the next item that I did pick up is actually these organizing like shelves type of situation. So you put it in between the shelves and it becomes like much organized. You guys will actually see my laundry room right now and how messy it is, and this is why I purchased this, to save me from the disaster of my laundry section, because it's everywhere. Okay guys, so this is my laundry area. Super messy, guys. This gives me anxiety to the max. So I'm going to fix it with some of the things that I got from Shein, and so let's get to it. Alright, so I just put the organizing stuff into my laundry room and it's already so much better. So they are a little weird. They're like bending this way and one other way, but these two actually are standing up just right. So I'm pretty sure that when they came, they were looking like in the box really weird, and that's just how they stay. So definitely would recommend these. So good. Okay. So out of all my item splurges, I'm super nervous about this one because I see these everywhere in stores and they are so expensive. Buying these in store are so expensive. They come usually with a pack. This is not what I was expecting. Is it inside out? No, it's not inside out because this thing is like inside. Alright, well, it doesn't come with those things to make it flat, so I'm kind of stuck with this issue where it's like folding everywhere. This is supposed to be for my laundry area too. We'll see how I use it. I definitely do not recommend this. It is like literally like folding everywhere, like back into its shape. But I think once you put something heavy in it, it's gonna be so much better. So the next item is literally the biggest item that I bought from Shein, and it is this comforter for my bed. It's actually like a duvet set. It doesn't come with a bed sheet, but I'm excited to put it on because my bed needs some revamping. It needs some type of love. Feeling it already, I feel so smooth and soft, almost like a silky knit. Does that make sense? Like a silky knit. It is really soft. So this is the color that I went with. I also went ahead and bought 2 pillowcases. So this duvet set actually comes with 2 pillowcases, a sheet, and a duvet cover. So I thought this was pretty neat, and I'm going for like the more cream color in my room, so this was perfect. Also picked up these cute pillowcases. This feels exactly like the duvet set. Really good material, really sturdy. It's something like you would buy at Marshall's, which I have bought tons of Marshall's actually, and it feels exactly like this one. I thought some pop of white with black would be a good add to the bed as well. And then I also got these white ones right here. I got these white ones with like these pom-poms. I figured I'd add some texture to the bed as well. White and I don't really do well, especially because of my makeup, but these I think were a little pricier, and I'm not upset about it, but definitely worried that if my daughter pulls too hard on these will come off. So you guys will see how they look on my pillows real soon. So this is the finished product of my bed. Super cute. Please distract that I actually don't have a bed frame, but we are getting that soon. I just haven't found the perfect one just yet. And this is what it's looking like. This is a blanket I told you guys about. Folds in half and droops, so it's an okay size, like I said, if you are short. Super nice and smooth of a duvet set. I'm in love. Definitely a really good purchase. I've bought higher end duvet covers before and they haven't felt as soft as this one. Hi Luna. The last item that I did order was this hanger that's organizes like belts or handbags, and because I want to add more handbags to my collection, I figured that I would start with some of like organizing the ones that I have now. So I got this like in a cream color, and I thought that being more organized would help me stay sane through this quarantine. So I'm going to show you guys how I use it. So this is the hanger that I have here and that I purchased from Shein, and this, instead of holding belts, because I don't really have any, that I'm going to be holding my bags. I've got other bags in Josephine's room, but she's sleeping, so we're gonna wait off of that. But this is what it looks like. Super cute. Guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you comment down below which item is your favorite and what you think that you might use in your household from Shein. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time, guys. Bye.